The N/SEQ-3, also known as the Laser Weapon System or LaWS, is not science fiction anymore. It's real, it's deployed, and it's changing the future of naval warfare. Welcome back to the NextGen World, where we explore the technologies shaping tomorrow. Developed by the U.S. Navy and defense contractor Kratos Defense, the N/SEQ-3 LaWS is a directed energy weapon, a ship-mounted laser system designed to engage aerial threats, drones, fast attack boats, and even missiles. Unlike conventional weapons, LaWS doesn't rely on explosive ammunition. It uses a highly focused beam of infrared light to disable or destroy targets with pinpoint precision and near instantaneous impact. The advantage? Speed of light engagement. That means no projectile lag, no reload time, and virtually unlimited shots, as long as there's power. This system is powered by electricity, making it extremely cost-effective compared to traditional missiles that can cost millions per shot. In contrast, a laser shot from LaWS costs less than $1. The N/SEQ-3 can target and disable a drone mid-flight, burn through sensors on an incoming missile, or fry the engine of a small boat, all without warning. The laser beam is silent, invisible, and incredibly precise. And with adjustable intensity, it can either dazzle and disable or destroy outright, depending on the threat level. Installed and tested aboard the USS Ponce in the Persian Gulf, the LaWS proved it could operate in real combat environments under high heat, humidity, and sea conditions. The system integrates with existing ship sensors, allowing operators to track and target threats using radar and electro-optical sensors before firing with surgical precision. While the N/SEQ-3 isn't designed to replace missiles or cannons completely, it's a game-changer for layered defense. It's ideal against swarms of cheap drones or small boats where using expensive missiles wouldn't make tactical sense. And as laser technology evolves, future versions could scale up to intercept cruise missiles or even ballistic threats. What makes LaWS so critical is its deterrent capability. It's not just about destruction, it sends a message. Anyone thinking about low-cost swarm attacks now faces a high-tech response that's faster, cheaper, and more efficient. The N/SEQ-3 is the beginning of a new era in naval defense, one where energy, not ammunition, defines the power of the fleet. Thanks for watching the NextGen World. Subscribe for more cutting-edge defense tech deep dives, and hit the like button if you're ready for the future of warfare.